When we think about wealth, we usually think about money. But there's another asset that often goes unnoticed in the race to financial success: time. Most people trade time for money, but this model can leave you stuck, working endlessly for a paycheck. The real secret to financial freedom lies in time leverage, the ability to invest your time in ways that allow you to earn long-term rewards, without needing to continually trade your hours for dollars. The cycle of trading time for money. Let's start by looking at the most common model people use to earn: direct income. This is where time equals money in a straight exchange. Whether you're a consultant, an hourly worker, or a freelancer, the more time you spend working, the more money you make. For instance, if you work 40 hours a week at $25 per hour, you're making $1,000 a week. But your income is limited to how many hours you can work. The problem with direct income is that you're constantly exchanging time for money. Your potential for earning is capped by the number of hours in the day. If you get sick or need a vacation, your income stops. This is active pay, the classic model of trading hours for dollars. Shifting to leverage. Peso, how can you break free from this cycle? The answer lies in time leverage. Time leverage is about making an upfront investment of time, which then continues to pay dividends in the future without you needing to keep putting in more time. It's when your time, once spent on creating a product or system, keeps generating returns without further effort. For example, think about someone who writes a book. At first, they spend countless hours writing, editing, and publishing. But once the book is out there, it can keep selling without their active involvement. The book continues to generate royalties with each sale, even while the author sleeps. This is indirect pay. Your time is invested up front to create something that pays you over and over again. It's the true definition of leverage pay. Work hard once, reap rewards forever. The power of scalable systems. Another great example is an online business. Let's say you run an e-commerce store. In the beginning, you're doing everything: product design, marketing, shipping. All of your time is spent on tasks that directly lead to income. However, once the store is set up and running, you can implement automation tools, hire help, and create systems that keep things running smoothly. This means you can keep making sales, even when you're not actively working. This is a perfect example of automated leverage pay, a system you create once, but that continues to work for you. Each product sold doesn't require you to spend more time making money. The system you've built becomes your most valuable asset, working for you 24/7. The different types of time investments. Not all time investments are equal. There are two main types of time-based pay systems: active pay and leverage pay. Active pay. This is the model where you trade time for money directly. Think of it as a one-to-one exchange. 1 hour worked equals 1 hour of pay. Most jobs, no matter the industry, operate under this system. Leverage pay. This is where time is invested into a business or product that continues to earn money without further effort. It's like creating an automated money-making machine that runs long after you've done the work. It's a long-term play, not a quick fix. For instance, imagine you're an artist. You spend time creating a beautiful piece of art and sell it online. Initially, the artwork takes time to create, but after that, it can continue to generate income as more people discover and purchase it. The artwork becomes a product that works for you while you sleep. This is an example of asynchronous time investment, where the initial time investment keeps paying off in perpetuity. The truth about passive income. A lot of people dream of passive income, earning money without doing anything. However, this term is often misused and romanticized. True passive income doesn't happen overnight. Building a business, creating a product, or developing a system all take time and effort up front. But once the system is in place, you can earn without ongoing work. The problem with passive income is that it's often oversold by get-rich-quick gurus, promising instant wealth with little effort. In reality, passive income requires hard work at the beginning, and it takes time for it to generate substantial returns. This is why it's more accurate to think of it as accumulated leverage pay, an investment of time, effort, and resources that eventually pays you in free time and long-term wealth. Building a business that pays without you. Let's take a deeper look at building a business with time leverage. Suppose you start a blog where you write about topics you're passionate about. In the beginning, it takes a lot of time to create content, build an audience, and drive traffic. But as your blog grows, you can monetize it through ads, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products. Your time investment becomes a long-term asset. The blog can continue to earn money from ads and affiliate commissions without you having to create new content every single day. This model works because you're not just creating a product. You're creating a system that can operate without constant input. The system itself generates income, which is the essence of leverage pay. Scaling with technology. Let's look at a company like Amazon. Jeff Bezos didn't start Amazon with the intention of working endlessly for every sale. Instead, he built an entire infrastructure, from the website to the warehouses, and even developed systems for automated inventory management and order fulfillment. Now, Amazon generates billions of dollars annually without Bezos needing to personally oversee every transaction. This is systemic leverage pay at its finest. It's not just about putting in the hours, it's about creating systems that multiply your time investment. Once the systems are built, they continue to work for you, giving you the freedom to focus on other things. The bottom line: invest time. Don't trade it. The key takeaway is simple: stop trading time for money. To achieve true financial freedom, you need to invest time in building systems, creating products, and designing processes that will continue to earn for you long after the initial work is done. This is the difference between active pay, time, for money, and leverage pay, time invested to create a system that generates ongoing returns. The more you can invest in building systems, the more you can step out of the cycle of endless work and into a world where your time works for you. Conclusion: time is your most valuable asset. While trading time for money may seem like the easiest way to earn, the true path to wealth lies in investing time to build systems that work for you long into the future. Whether it's creating content, automating a business, or designing a product, the key is to make your time work for you. Shift from active pay to leverage pay and unlock the true power of time as wealth.